Hello, Asia here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create any 3D shape in PowerPoint. Are you ready for this? Okay, I'm going to remove these two boxes. Now I'm going to go to the Shapes menu. And say we want a cylinder. Cylinders are easy. You just choose one. Okay, I like to make mine white, black border, but I like to change the weight and increase it a little bit. So with that cylinder, I can duplicate it. Grab this little yellow thingy and make it smaller. I'm going to duplicate it again, and to do that I'm doing Command D. We can make it wider, skinnier, whatever you want. Okay, so that's a cylinder. Rectangular prism. Let's see, there he is. I can do that here. If I want it to look like my cylinder, I can grab that cylinder, copy the formatting, and put it on there. It'll do the same thing. Okay, next. What if I want a triangular prism? Let's see. I'm gonna go to a triangle. And then I want it to be a perfect triangle, like an equilateral one. So I held down the Shift key, okay? I'm gonna change that field to white and make that black. Now pay close attention to what I do next, okay? That border that I just did doesn't even really make sense, but here we go. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna go to 3D rotation, and then we're going to select oblique top right. All right. Notice not much has happened yet. We're going to go back to that down arrow, go to 3D rotation, and then go to 3D rotation options. What we have to do at this point is we're down here in the 3D rotation panel, but I want to go to 3D format. Let me move my head. Okay. So what we have to change here is our depth, okay? I'm going to change the color to white, and then I'm going to change the depth to 300. Do you see that? But we can make it better. We don't want a triangular prism that looks like that, right? So we're going to change our contour to 3, and then we're going to change the material. I like translucent powder. And then lighting, it's really up to you. I like special black. Okay? So you could leave it just like that last one was, or have it like this. And that's it. That's a triangular prism. Yeah.